Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the face stretch filter on TikTok. So to get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. In trending, slide up and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and you will get the pointers. Now play with the pointers to stretch your face likewise. Okay guys, so if you are not finding the filter here because this is trending and the filter are updating every day, so you might not be finding the filter here. So you can go to discover and here you can search for face stretch filter, and here you will see the video with this effect. Now tap on the video. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon is there. Just tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can get the filter directly from there also. And still if you are not finding this effect, then check in my description box. I'll give the link to the filter there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.